What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another session of Build Break and Fix, brought to you by the Rule Coders. Yes, that is us. And you must be wondering at the moment that why it's only me. Tori was about to come, but he is not feeling well, so it's better that if he rested. As health always comes first. If a person doesn't rest and he still pushes himself, then he might not be productive. So it's always good to, as in, rest up if you're not feeling well. And just first things first, I will play the acknowledgement of the country, and then we will pay our respects to the elders of the past, present, and future. So here goes. I begin today by acknowledging the traditional custodians of the land on which we gather today, and pay my respects to the elders past, present, and future. I extend that respect to Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander people here today. Alright, that was smoothly done. So for today, what we're gonna be doing is we will be working on the UI part. So the goal is to get two kind of forms set, as in one for the create board and one for the get board. All right, on the same page. Okay, I'm pretty sure that's not making any sense at the moment, and you're probably saying that, Zane, what the hell are you talking about? So I will go and take it in the screen to give you a visual representation. Maybe that then it would be more understanding and more come to intuition. All right, so here we go. Let me just close everything that I don't need. There, that's the one, and let's play some music, shall we? Dance. How about this one? Daydream, feeding the ducks. All right, cool. Yeah, that sounds good to me so far. Hey, Tori is in the chat. Welcome, Tori. Hope you're feeling a bit better than before. Yeah, more than happy to be for you to be on the chat. Fantastic. Thanks, man. That really is appreciated, and I really value that. So thank you for that. Right, cool. So I will share my screen and take you guys through what we're gonna be doing. Okay, I might just open that from terminal, as I find it a lot helpful and fast. This one and this one's our repository, and this is our branch, which is a get board functionality. Brilliant. So let's do open that up in the code, VS Code. All right, and do that. Okay, shall we play this and see where we are at? By the way, when I play this, I'll also tell you as a visual representation what we're going to be doing today. All right, so play that with the live server. There you go. So you see how I was talking about the two, as in sections, create board and get board. So these will be two tabs. All right, so create board will be here, which is fine, but we have to, as in we will have to kind of organize this to look a bit more presentable. But anyway, the whole concept is that this will be the create board tab, and when the user clicks on tab 2, this will display similar UI but for getting a board. And props to Tori, that was his idea, which was fantastic, and we've taken that on board. All right, cool. So let's go up to the create board and let's just organize it a bit. So this is our entire div. We probably want to make this entire thing smaller. Yeah, probably want to make this entire thing smaller, isn't it? Which would be content, top. No, we just want to lower down the width of it. Left. So if you just actually, what's the padding does? No, that does that. Tab 1. Yeah, okay. We do need this one. So if we do with say, what can it become? Say 60%, 5%. Okay, yeah, that's pretty much okay, but we need more. With 50, no, 40, no, 30. Actually, that's no, go. Let's make it 40. Yeah, that should be alright, isn't it? 40. Hey, Gegdev, Geese is back. Fantastic. Good to have you, Gegdev, as always. Alright, cool. So this is there. So in this tab, we're gonna have the get board UI. So let's just organize this one first. Okay, that one's fine. Right. Enter code. What's this? So if I go in that one, create a board name, enter passcode. So basically what we would want is all of these to be a bit smaller, isn't it? Actually, we're gonna make this one a lot smaller. Background, no, we need the background border. So what do we want? Top. We need to go. We need to go beyond the top. So if we do top, 5. What was that? How do we do that one? Top. Position absolute. Let's try position absolute. Yeah, I would have to pay attention to the comments as well, which is alright. Name your board and get and choose a passcode. Name your board. Yeah, there. Okay, so if we enter passcode, example board test mode, board dot test. I'm just thinking how would that fit in this small UI. Name your new board. Name your new board. Board name goes here, and then actually, why not remove the white background? What's the background here? Keep the background same as the background. Where's my background? Where's my background? Where's my background? There is no. This can't be my background. Where's me background, boy? No, that can't be my background. Tabs. H1, no, not this one. Any comments at the back? What was that? Rich accent Tory. Come on, mate. Come on. Where's my background? Color. I need this color here to be as a background color, which would make a lot of sense. Come on, boy. Come on. Give me something. Where is this? Scrambler. Board table. Yeah, it must be here. The color of it. There you go. It's called gray. Gray color apparently. Brilliant. So let's give that the gray color as well. Board name, no. Content. Yeah, I need the content. No. Actually, this would be it. Yeah. Tabs. Color gray. Oh, nope, that is not right. It is way too dark. I need the back. This color. Where did it go? Is it this one? Yeah, probably. DDD. Let's try this one. See what happens. Just that one. I don't want the entire thing to go. Content. Yeah, content. Oh, there we go. So if we turn this to DDD, Actually, you know what, forget that one. I'm gonna just save this as a, I need to screenshot this one, save this as a picture, and then check what color is this. Simple. Color from picture. Use your image. Hell yeah, I want to use my image. Select the upload image. Yeah. Where is my thing? Downloads. There you go. Brilliant. There we go. We have got our color. Excellent. Oh, that's the wrong tab. Where's my tab gone? Oh, here we go. Content, yeah, and change this one to this color and see what it gives me. Well, really, you are embarrassing me. Copy and paste. Come on, you can do this. Copy and pasting is embarrassing me, which is not a good feeling. But we shall forge on, being embarrassed until we reach the solution. Not that one, not that one. Where was it? Never mind. It was the wrong one. Content, yeah, that's the one, and this is the come on. Yay! No. Why is this a different color than the background one? Interesting. How come that color and that color is different? Maybe I chose the wrong color then. Actually, this is the same, isn't it? Use your image. Yeah. Wanna use me image. Yeah, that one. Why is it coming in that way? This is a lot darker hair as compared to hair. Interesting. Sorry, I love your humor, mate. Simply love it. Color. Cola. Yeah. I should probably say cola, mate. Cola. Actually, let me check what is this tab. No, don't need that tab. TD. Okay, let me go and check. What's the color in the font? Vertical line, that one. Body's there. It's not taking it from the body at all. Which color is this? I get you. Actually, I'm not gonna worry about the UI path for now, because we can just kind of do the overall UI first and then dive in the details. If I tab margin 200, content. Okay, content. Right, go in the code, style CSS content, yeah, and add what with say 40%. There we go. See what that gives. Brilliant. There we go. Cool. So if I just copy and paste this code in the tab, so this one until that. Brilliant. Actually, the content only. Yeah. Form. From form to that one. Whoops. Too fast. VS Code is too fast for me. Stuff, and if we paste it here and just basically say get your board. Get your board. Get your board. Existing board. Actually, just get your board. The lesser the better. Alright. Let's check this. See what it gives us. Hey, look at that. You get your board. Name your new board. Brilliant. Get. Okay, cool. So this is there. What did I say before? Get board. Okay, now we need to name the tabs. Get board. Get. Actually, I'm gonna do this for create. Name your new book. Create. Brilliant. 2 words. Get and create. Okay, any comments? True though, yeah. Sorry, completely agree. CSS always wins, man. Just when you think you got it, nope, it slips away. Yep, that is completely what happened there. True. Okay, now that I put both of them here, get your new board and postcode. So name it. So this one I need to basically fit this enter passcode here, and then the passcode can come here. Yeah, might try and do that and see what happens. Let us do that. Right, so code block that one, enter your passcode. Might not need actually I might need this. How about if we get everything in this part here? Let me check if I can do that. Create board, yeah, that's there. Name, board name, and okay, so I can maybe I can enhance the name your board and then put that in type. No, because I can't, because that functionality is already working in this way, unless I want to modify the functionality itself. I don't really want to do that. So how about if we put this one in there as well. And then make this one a bit bigger. Yeah. So example board, tabs, tab, tab, example board. No, don't need that. Content, create board. So everything is in the content, so we need to basically increase the content size first. Okay, left. Oh, here we go. So this is the one we basically needed. If we do this bottom to 5, no, no. So it doesn't really matter why it would have the same thing if we do no matter what button. Interesting. Padding, border, width. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna bring everything in the middle first. 0 and auto. No, it didn't like that. Okay. Or it was auto and 0. But something like that though. Minimum height, position. What was it? 0 and auto or there's nothing computing right now. Why is this have to create a get option? Why not just get if it exists with the name plus code already? But we thought it would create confusion. There's already cool. Good job, Tori. You're handling those questions. Let me know if the decision changes, because Gagdev, according to Tori's comment, this is basically we thought about this approach. Just change the toast message. Okay, don't give us a chance to remember. Oh, I see. So basically, Gagdev, you're saying that change the toast message. Actually, that could be right now that I think of it, because we can just say the board already exists. Please enter your passcode. I was thinking this sound. Weren't you going to learn this new off an hour? Start this right. Create board, get board. Actually, now that I think about it, we can actually change the toast message. So, for example, if the board already exists, then we can tell the user that the board already exists. Please enter your passcode that you created in order to get the board. No, so what I meant is in Gagdev that the toast message maybe, yeah, that basically sums it up, to be honest. Board already exists or password is wrong. Actually, yeah, that could be one of the quicker way. All right, yeah, let's do that basically. What do you reckon, Tori? Because yeah, this will take just a lot of additional time. How we're going for it. We're almost done with this functionality anyway. Okay, let's just change the toast message, and there we have it. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna undo all the changes, and then we can just change the toast message that board already exists, or the pass please enter password. Yeah. Actually, with Margaret, I understand with the stinking shit. Yeah, I know, Tori, where you were coming from as well, but if you see, we are just basically working around the authentication system. So this is our way of authenticating it, but if we go with just changing the message on that particular screen, then it can just be that if I've already got a test board, and then if the and other users creating a test board will automatically say board already exists or your password is wrong, because they will be doing the password on the screen itself as well. All right. Now what, I'm gonna go back to what it was before. Source that stuff, no. So we don't need this. Create board. form, there you go, and the tab is here. Okay, let's check this. No, don't do your master HTML and CSS. Why not undo my master or HTML and CSS? Jack Dev? I didn't get it, because the whole concept now is to stay in the main functionality which is already working, but just add the passcode. Anyway, sometimes it's really hard to tell when he's joking and when he's not. uh, okay, cool. So this is that. What we can do is change the background of this one. Where's the background? Actually, why am I even going in that way? I can just do it from here. I don't need that background. Boom, done. Simple. Yes. Okay, so this is there. Now we can just go to the message board already exists. Or passcode is or incorrect password. Okay, and now if we take this one a bit higher, we want to get rid of that line as well. Border bottom, yeah, border bottom passcode UI. Border bottom, don't want this. Cool, and this one should go a bit at the top. Margin. Div is that one, which is fine. So that one, that div should go a bit at the top. Margin bottom. %. Margin top I meant. Okay. That'll work. Any comments there? Oh. Sorry, Gagdev. Sorry, I completely forgot to share. That's my fault. That is completely my fault. Oh, I guess it's a weekend and my brain is still in the weekend mode. So that one's there, which is fine, and this one can go a bit on the top. Code block. Margin top. Save. Yeah, that's not too bad. Enter passcode. Yeah, cool. So we don't need any margin top here. Okay, cool. Right. These are the things. So just do that one. Wanna make the background of this similar to that. So let's go on to stick. No, that's not the one. Passcode UI. Which one was it? Label. It was label 4 first digit. So there weren't any classes. Okay, let's add a class then. Input. Actually, is there no classes? No, there aren't classes. Class. That would be gray. Actually, class. Background. No. Background. Background. Gray. Yeah, that should do it. Actually, we don't need any of these now. Tabs. So we can get rid of them. Background class. I need that class to be there. And then background color. I doubt it would be these ones. But let's try. Which one was this? Maybe this one. Let's check. That do the trick. If that's alright for now. Any comments? So said back BG gray. Okay. Why didn't I think of that? Oh, really? Really? Stars here says background. Okay, now add everything to there. Okay, cool. I need this color there. That wasn't even that color. How can I get this color? Input text, board name. Actually, no background basically. Would that work? None. It's in this way. No, can't be in that way. None. I need that background color. Cool. Input text, board focus, board name, placeholder, class text. So what's class text thing? Text with the background of the text. Am I not doing it this way? Go simpler. Okay, so that doesn't have any. Interesting. Background none. Font family, that one, border. Okay. Do you know what? I'm not gonna waste much time on this CSS now. Okay, cool. So this is passcode. Name your board. Actually, that has to change as well. Name your board. Okay, cool. So now what we need to do basically is the get functionality, which is great. So this is all done. Name your board name. Yeah, enter passcode. Example, or you share whatever. Let's see the comments. How's it going? So till after MVP. Yeah, by the way, Tori is all version back, so don't worry about nothing is erased. I said you mean that. Okay, so how will the Go functionality work in terms of board? So it's already loading all the boards on load, which is great. Anyway, it was because it's local now. No, it can't be because of that. So basically what's gonna happen that if the board exists but the passcode is wrong, then we will say, yeah, obviously it won't work. But if so we need to change the condition as well now of the error message. Right. So error message. Board already exists. Board already exists. Incorrect password. Where was that? That was in. Don't need this one anymore. Board already exists, which is no home.html. Home.html. So on Go, what happens? ID Go comes into script, JS, and then Go. No, not that one. Go to home. Right, go to home, go. Where's this go? But get board name. So if it exists, get board names. So where is? Oops, I need to juice my laptop up. Give me a minute. Do that and then forge on. Let's see how the stream going. You're saying that it's gonna be versioning. Yeah, that's going to no, sorry. Why I mean that there's already versioning of the code, as in it's already stored in Git. So if we wanna get the code that we deleted, we can always go there and get it. That's what I meant by versioning. Git tags. I shouldn't name the words after different parts of the service. Probably. Yeah, we can do that. Not. Right, so we need go. I really need to focus on button go, yes, submit. So this create form. Where does this get triggered? Go ID go. Script. Room set. In there. Board name. Sync. Create new await. No, it doesn't come in there. No. Board already exists. Board already. It comes in this one. Board already. All right. Focusing. Focus. Board already exists. So this is that. Alert pops up. And this should pop up in home.html, which is fine, but then it's also no online class alert. So the code is being changed. Right. Wow. on click. Come on, give me some news. I think it must be in this one or this one. No. Find all. Script, right. Confirmation prompts. Okay, so that one opens this one up. Close alert. Fade off, finish open alert. So this one goes into home.html. Yeah, okay, cool. So error is this. Close alert. Alert body. Yeah. So what we need to do is on. Wow, I am getting confused a bit. So when the go is clicked, this message will be triggered, which is fine. But how will it be triggered? It will be triggered by checking if the board already exists, which would be in the go message, in the go button. Go button, submit form. Jack Dab is onto us. Side by side, therefore was within a time. Alright guys, yeah, I guess all we did in this one was change basically a message from board or already exists, please choose a new one, to board already exists, or incorrect passcode. But that's a good indication because we have a kind of a new short direction to go to. So what we only need to do now is as in by now I mean going forward, is implement get the true minus 100 lines of code. That is progress, absolutely fantastic. Yeah, so I think that there's only one last bit left for the functionality part for the MVP, is getting the board from the database. That's all, and that's also pretty much done as well. Pretty much done. All we need to basically do is just wire up some of the components as far as I can remember, and then we would be pretty much ready for the testing phase. Then every one of the selected people get to break our code, hopefully not, and then it will come to bug fixings. Alright guys, it's been a pleasure having you all, and thanks a lot, Get Inventory, for your inputs. Really helped, and for the entertainment part as well. And yes, if you want to see how we wire up the get board functionality, join us tomorrow, same time, same place, and the same and a different task. So I'll see you guys back here tomorrow. All right, have a great night. Cheers. Catch you guys later.